Guys, what is happening? Today, Luke has got me going with him to Fayetteville. He is buying a new boat today. We came down here about a month ago. He's got one picked out. He's had a head. I'm glad he's going through it and not me right now. But we're driving a small road trip. It's about 2 hours away. We're gonna go pick up his boat. Hopefully, when we get back, we're gonna go test drive it. And I'm just along for the ride. I told him, I was like, yeah, I'll film a little bit. But he is super excited. I ain't gonna tell you what kind of boat he's buying. Yeah, when we get there, I'll show it to you. Let's see what we're going to do. Guys, we have made it. We've made it. Tired right in this truck. I don't need that. We are about to go in. He's about to pick up his boat. Hopefully won't be here too long, but let's go see if they got it ready. Let's walk in here and looks like Christmas. Getting his brand new boat.
This is it right here. He's hooking up the pinnacle out right now. And got the depth finder going in.
There's his boat. $18-foot all-wheel. They still obviously putting stuff together. And he's running into a little problem that once he gets done talking, we get outside, I'll let you know. It's like it'll be a long day. So here's the deal. His boat ain't ready. The trailer's coming from whatever they call Little Washington, wherever that's at, a couple hours away. They're late on everything, and I'm gonna say it's about 11:30 right now. They don't expect us to be out of here until like between 3 and 5. Like, I've heard the good things about this company, but they're not impressing me right now. So I guess we get to run to town, play a waiting game until they get his boat done, because we're not driving 2 hours back without his boat.
Yeah. And then we'll fix it then.
That's exactly right. He is fired up right now. And that is ridiculous. The boat's been on order for 2+ weeks. Can't get a trailer down here. The boat ain't even ready. It ain't even my boat, and it fires me up. Like, do I really want to come here and buy a boat one day? Not right now, I don't. So I guess we about to go. They've got a Dix and a Field and Stream hooked together, so I guess we're gonna go kill some time there, go find something to eat. I don't know. It's 11:43 now, and they said the trailer should be here by between 1 and 2, and then they gotta drop the boat on the trailer, and then they gotta clean up the boat, put everything back together. They ain't got it going on there today. Luke's all tense.
My neck hurts.
His neck hurts. Oh well. Well, we just got done getting us a bite to eat. We went over to Field and Stream, hit some golf balls. It is now 2:13. We're gonna go back to AK, and I really hope they've got this boat ready. He was like, yeah, I'll call you when we get the trailers in, when we get them loaded up. He said it'll be about 2 o'clock. Well, it's 2:13, and he has yet to get a phone call. So, man, there's Chuck. We should have went to Chuck E. Cheese. I'm talking about anyway. But so let's get there and let's just see how far they've got with this thing. Well, it's about 3:30. They're finished rigging his boat. Trailers are finally here. I'm ready to leave, but hopefully they'll get it done before too long. Let's see. It's 3:41. I really hope to be out of here by like 4:30. That way we can Hopefully he'll want to get it on the water. I don't know, we'll see. But guys, this is just a waiting game today, so all we're gonna do is wait.
Oh yeah.
Are you pleased?
Yep. Finally. I like it.
So now, guys, we're gonna throw it on his actual trailer, because that ain't even the trailer that fits that boat. Gonna put it on his trailer, gonna run the motor, and we're getting the heck up out of here. Bring it on back into the ground, okay? That's good. Wait a minute. Okay. Alright. Take it slow. This is crazy how they change out trailers.
Okay.
Just like that. It made me nervous. What you think?
Oh, I love it. Let's go duck hunting.
We got a while before we get to go duck hunting. We are on the road. He's got his boat hooked up to the truck, and we making this 2-hour drive back home. The plan was he was gonna go take it out when we got back, but it's 5:50 now. We'll be home 7:50, 8 o'clock. So that's a big old negative for today. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, just hanging out today, him getting his boat. Other than that, guys, we'll see y'all.